Hey y'all, so I got this sewing machine. It's a Brother sewing machine, and y'all excuse me if my voice is a little raspy or raspy-er. I'm not feeling well. I think I'm either battling a cold or it's either the allergies. I think it's the allergies. Anyway, I got this sewing machine. It's a Brother sewing machine. I've been wanting a sewing machine for the longest. I do a little bit of sewing by hand, and my mother, she's always had a sewing machine. She used to make these little rabbits with little cute little outfits that you would have to change out every spring, summer, or fall. I recently bought this sweater. I only wore it once or twice and discovered a big, huge hole on it. And so rather than me just take it to the cleaner and have them, well, it needs to be cleaned anyway, but I was just gonna have the cleaners fix it. I think I'm gonna try to use this. This is the paddle. I'm sorry for all the noise. Oh, okay, so these are the accessories. This book is kind of thick. A little bit intimidating. Okay. So I have the accessories. I have some, looks like some extra needles. This is the spool. And I do, found me a little box to keep. I do have some thread. So once I get this connected and hooked up, I'll show you guys the sweater that I was talking about. It has little flowers on it, and there's a huge hole on the side. And I was wondering how long I had that hole on the side. I wore it to work once and no one said anything, so hopefully I kept my arm down and no one saw it. So anyway, this is my sewing machine that I have. Yay, I'm happy. I'll show you guys another video soon. Bye.